just got parked here and the guy's already got a fish.
Right away.
Right. What do you got?
I can't tell. The way, huh? It's a largemouth.
Yeah, right there if I can see him. Oh, yeah, look at that. Right. That's a quick start.
Yeah.
Get to the back of the boat. Geez, you could at least let me get to the back, get something going here.
No.
No.
Not yet. I gotta catch up today.
Gotta film it now. Got one.
Oh, what you got?
Oh, this is not a smallmouth. This is a pike.
You got a pike. All right.
Oh my gosh, it's pretty good size too. Let's see if I can point you down here. This guy up here, there he is. You can see him, folks. Nice size. Good morning, folks. Welcome to New Old School Fishing. That's right. You can be old school and still be a little new. Or you can be new school and be a whole lot old. But welcome to my channel. We're going to go out and do some fishing. Hopefully you'll pick up some things from me. And I'll pick up some things from you. Understand that works both ways. I hope you enjoy our trips, and thanks for coming to my channel. Well, let's go do it. Let's get her done. Good morning, folks. Day number 2 here at Canada, up in Murphy's Point Provincial Park. Seems I put that front awning on the boat in the wrong place. It was way up high, and I have now corrected that. Gotta laugh at yourself, you know. Jason didn't seem to mind it was way up out of his way, but today's a little windy, so I figured, well, better take care of that. But it's day 2. Thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed day 1. And we would consider that an average day up here. Catching pike, bass, smallmouth. Always glad when they're all biting and all the panfish are biting. Perch and sunnies and rock bass. So let's go get them. Gotta love it. Alright. Just got parked here and the guy's already got a fish.
Right away.
Right. What do you got?
I can't tell. The way, huh? It's a largemouth.
Yeah, right there if I can see him. Oh, yeah, look at that. Right. That's a quick start.
Yeah.
Get to the back of the boat. Geez, you could at least let me get to the back, get something going here.
No. Not yet. I gotta catch up today.
Gotta film it now. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's a sweet one there.
Yep, still on the same lure as yesterday. Kind of a similar day, so I haven't branched out yet.
Your little homemade lure.
Yeah.
With the swim bait in the spinner.
Yeah, seems to still be working, so that's great.
Alright, turn him back. Alright.
Yeah, good deal.
Back here in what we call Bikini Bay. Years ago there was 4 stranded girls in bikinis in a boat. Yep, we heard somebody yelling and we turned around and there's 4 pretty girls in bikinis.
Yes, indeed.
Who couldn't get their motor started.
Yeah.
So we had to go over and tow them back to the dock and offered us some lunch and stuff and hung out a little while. So it is now Bikini Bay. Every fisherman's dream. 4 stranded bikini girls.
Yeah. Well, not everyone for when your dad's there, but I know it works out pretty good. That was a good time.
Oh, well, you know.
Yep.
Ooh, here's one. Like a bass. Like a bass. I can get you down so you can see. I can lift him up. Oh, stepping on that pedal again. Alright. A fish. Take us long. About 15 minutes since we caught one flower. Get this up here. Not very big, but he's a fish. Cool beans. Love it. Cheap position back here. GoPro. I'm gonna throw you in the water. Okay. What you got?
Looking good. Bit of a bigger one.
Alright.
Look at
The
that.
size of that guy.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, looking good. Got the little hook again. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Look at that. Nice one. I had to go back to the sunfish. Somebody bit the tail off of my homemade lure.
Your homemade swim, or your
Yeah.
homemade lure with the swim bait.
So I have to figure out what to do.
Toothy critter cropped that off, huh?
Yeah. So I'll figure it out from there. Okay, I got some more laying around, but
Your secret weapon. Well, at least you
Yeah.
got 2 secret weapons.
yeah, that's right. That's right. So we'll figure it out. But yeah, the fish are fighting back. We'll see what they do.
Here we got one. Again. Hit it right next to the boat. Yeah. I was about to pull it out of the water and he hit it.
Gotta love that.
Let him wear himself out a little bit here. Alright. Guess he's had enough. I'm gonna move that pedal. There he is. Swing this up now. Little guy, but he hit it hard. Check him on back. Alright. I'm catching all kinds of fish this morning.
That's right.
Okay folks, that wasn't very long. This guy just did the very same thing. Different flavor though, yeller perch. Bait. Right next to the boat as I was pulling it up. How'd it come? I gotta love it. Well, we got our yellow perch. We need a sunny and a rock bass. Get all the flavors. Alright, one in the front of the boat here. What you got?
I think an even bigger one.
Ho ho ho. up again. We'll bring him up again. Oh, that is a big one.
Yeah.
You gotta net him.
Yeah.
Nice.
That one in there.
That's a big guy, boy.
Yeah.
We're getting lots of big bass on them little tiny beats.
That's right. Well, this one I got back, spinner I don't use very often. Black, red, and yellow.
You gotta bring it up closer to your face. I can't take a picture of both of you.
There you go.
Can't get far enough away.
I gotta just do a little bit of surgery here.
Cool. Oh. Beautiful scene. There's one. Put my chomped up spoon on. Oh, it's pike.
Pike, alright.
Pike. Spoon with all the teeth marks in it. Alright, see if we can get down here. You can see this one. Pikey on there. Looks like he hit it with his mouth shut. Get him unhooked. Well, that's one way to do it.
Oh, you're dead.
Got my shirt. Fish. People are watching empty water. Got himself off. Little pike. Just put my chomped up spoon on there. Using my old spoon that I've had forever, boy. It's got all kinds of teeth marks on it. I'll put that on first cast. Wham. I don't think he had his mouth open though. And an old, well, this rod's got to be 35 or better old. Eliminator from Iowa. Had this thing forever. A lot better shape than my other ones, but on them power mesh rods, it's been around. An old Skeet Reese spinning reel. Had this forever. I love this great big handle on here. Things like oversized. Love it. Love the artwork on the reel. I don't know if you can see that or not, but retro rod out. Put a retro lure on. Got me a fish. Well, get back at it. Alright. Another one in the front of the boat. Supposed to be in the front of the boat.
It's wherever he wants to. That one's bigger.
Wait a minute. Let me see him.
Oh, yeah. And that's it.
He's such a big hurry.
I haven't gotten this big down.
There you go. Okay, native him out.
That, fast tournament speed, aren't I? Think about that.
I'm dealing with a film crew here with a drone and all, you know.
Right.
Dealing with an old man with a phone on a stick.
Sounds good. There we go. Yeah.
How'd you get that one on?
So I went from the red and yellow that I had to a double-bladed, last one.
Okay.
So I had a pike swipe at one of these, my other lure, and I'm like, alright, I'll try something a little different. So another bass for now.
Cool.
We'll see what we get from there.
Cool deal.
Yeah.
Cool deal. I love it. Much more relaxing for me when you're getting fish.
Yeah. Happy to get some.
Dang, didn't even get to the back of the boat here.
He's not.
I guess I'm the film guy today.
Yeah.
No time for me to fish.
He's not
Well, what do you
moving.
got? You got a pike or something? Why ain't it jumping?
Yeah.
I'm here for it to jump and it ain't jumping.
It's moving to the side.
Yeah, see that? Bring the rod tip up.
He's coming up.
Oh, you got weeds.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a pike and weeds.
Yeah,
Yeah, right. No wonder it ain't jumping.
Yeah.
There goes.
Like a
Ooh, nice
frog.
one too. Nice one.
Now he's waking up.
There's something to film, man.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah, he's up now.
Alright.
That is a nice size one, too. Yeah.
Make sure he wore
He's
it
all
out.
tired out.
Nice one. Nice one. Yeah, these guys, you always want to make sure they are wore out before you
Yes.
bring them in the boat.
Very cool.
beans.
He's right in the side of the mouth, too. So I think I'll keep my hand away. Okay, that'll work.
Quick release.
Yes.
Yeah, well,
Ancient secret.
we do like to see how big they are, but we also don't like messing with them.
Yeah, so every once in a while, it's not too bad.
Alright, a pike.
Yeah, and double-bladed spinner
Fish
worked.
of a different flavor.
Yeah.
Cool beans. Alright. Changed up to my lawnmower lure. Woke somebody up. These bass are asleep, but just woke one up. I get him out of them weeds. Good size one.
Yeah, it looks it.
Tall man lure. Tall man terminator lure. Can't remember what it's called, but I call it a lawnmower lure because it looks like you dropped it in the yard and then hit it with the lawnmower. See if I can get that back down there again. Yeah. Big guy. Look at that. Woohoo. Nice bass. I have to use the net on that one. Yeah. Get him in there. It's a big one. Do all this stuff at the same time. That, folks. Get out of the net. Tangled up in here. There we go. Look at that. Begging on one of my lawnmower lures. It's a Tom Mann deal. Designed, and this is a Terminator titanium spinnerbait kind of deal. Got him on top. Let's see how big it is. "20 inches.
20?
That's a big bass. Better let you go. Alright, guess I got that towed a little too far down now. There we go. Sorry folks, I'm still learning all this. Get that put away. And on that rod I was just showing you with the skeet reese reel on it, eliminator, and then I'm using my, I call it the lawnmower lure because it looks like I hit that blade with the lawnmower blade and cursed or something, but no, that's actually the way it was designed. I painted it, just came silver with probably chartreuse and white on it, something like that. But they got me a fish. See if I get me another. Got one. Oh, no I don't. I had one.
Camera shy.
The other one hit the lawnmower lure, but come off into weeds. Well, that's how it goes sometimes. Yeah. Gotta try to operate these things and not lose the fish. Alright, another one. I do love to see them jump. I hope you got to see that, folks. I know I'm supposed to hold the rod down so they don't do that. Ooh, get you another. Oh, this one's bigger. Alright. One more. We got off to. I'll get one on camera eventually. Yeah, I guess I already did, but we'll get more on camera if we can technically do all this. Alright, now we're up in front of the boat again.
Yeah.
Alright, what do we got? What do we got?
I think it's a largemouth. It hasn't quite come up yet.
Bring him up front here. Oh, nice one, nice one.
Yeah, that's great.
Nice one, look at that.
Get it up where you can see it. Not for all the weeds there, but
You can see way better with these sunglasses. Oh,
Yeah. Ooh, that is a good one.
couldn't see the phone with my polarized sunglasses, so I switched to unpolarized sunglasses. Well, you want to net him or what? Gonna get away. Of course, I didn't do much better on mine, so.
It's a whole new system.
Look at that. Another big one. Not quite as big as the other one, but it's pretty dang big.
Cannot believe they bite in this tiny little sunfish lure. Crazy.
Why not?
I don't know. Caveman brain says
I like to snack.
big fish.
I like to get my snacks.
Yeah. Morsels here and there. Makes sense.
That huge pike we caught last year had a little tiny goby in it. Little tiny
right.
inch-long goby in it.
Yeah.
Sweet.
That is a nice one.
That is nice.
Very cool. Back in there.
Alright. We just had a muskrat swimming around, but we didn't get him on film.
Yeah.
Somebody doesn't know how to operate their phone.
Mine's got a pin on it.
And it actually wasn't the old guy this time.
It takes longer to open my phone, but not my fault.
This one. Might keep this one on.
Okay.
You're supposed to jump back here where people can see you. Pretty nice chunky fish. That's a big one. Switch to a spinner bait. Ooh, spinner bait. There he is. Get down here where you can see him. 32 special. Of course, I doctored it up as usual. Got painted the blades. They don't come like that. Probably came red though, I guess. Put some yellow dots on it. So better chew off. Alright, got him off. This little chunky guy, maybe 14 inches, something like that. Pretty nice.
He's in the boat.
This is what I was using. I got to bend it back now. Red and yellow. 38 special. They came red, but we put the yellow on there. Old school. Yeah, Jason's got some in the front. It's on.
Still going.
Alright.
Jump over here. Yeah, looking good.
Ooh, got it on video.
Yeah, good.
We're getting better at this deal. We weren't doing so good for a while. We're getting lots of hits and nothing in the boat.
Yeah. Keep tension on it.
That's a big one.
Yeah. It came flying up under the log.
You can't see it in the water.
Yeah, the ripples there.
There it is. Look at the size of that. Ooh. Nice one.
Yeah.
There he is.
Feisty buck.
Yeah, one in the back, one in the front. This one's way bigger than the other one now.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the size of that thing.
Yeah.
Might have to measure that one.
Yeah. Well, thanks for bringing back that swim tail.
Oh, is that what you got it on?
Yeah,
one
I
out
got to use that one.
So, well, I better hand it back to you.
We're going to have to buy some more of these. They're very
Yeah,
good.
A little tiny bass lure.
Yeah. Look at that.
Look at that. Sweet. You gonna measure it?
Yeah, see how big he is.
Just got my stuff in the way as usual.
Yeah, that's alright. About 18.
18 inches.
Yeah,
All
looking
right. All right.
One more shot there and went back in.
Cool deal.
I see it.
Beautiful day.
Yeah.
Sweet. Hope you got to see that. One down here. Ooh, nice one. Switch to a different spinner bait. Another oldie. Discontinued model, I think. Alright. I should have netted you. You're pretty big. good. There you go. Probably 14 inches, something like that, but nice, nice. Calling him on a spinner bait that's supposed to look like a baby bass. Not sure on who made that, but when we went to get more, we couldn't find any more, so. It's basically a baby bass imitation. Lots of people got them. And worked good. See if it'll work again. Rideau power mesh samurai rod, or whatever it's called.
Yeah. Wait, that's a little pike?
What
It
do
is
you
a little
got?
pike.
Got a little pike and some weeds.
Look at that.
Some surf and turf.
Little pencil guy. You don't get many of these.
No, we don't. Oh, it's starting to rain.
Oh.
I just put
Got that right.
Put on a copper lure too.
Yeah.
How convenient.
Copper and perch. Sliding down
Well,
there.
you have fun with that.
Yeah.
Starting to rain, but we don't care because we are well covered.
There we
Oh, wait a minute. Let me come back around. Holy crap.
Little.
That is
Barely
little.
Like two sides of my hand.
That's bait.
Yeah, you basically.
You called me up here for that?
Yeah, now we'll get some again later. Let's just show them this year.
Alright, got one on the copper. Get this turn down here. Nice one. Raining out, go to copper and black. Yeah, you got a kind of wound on the side of him or something. Maybe from spawning or something. Nice. Can't get that in your mouth. There we go. Do hook him in. I'll leave you staring at the water again, huh? Nice little bass. Get the hook caught in the net when I didn't even use the net. Copper and black spinner bait. I think it's War Eagle. Guess what it's called? A spinner company, spinner bait. War Eagle. When it's raining, dark and raining, I go to copper and black. If it's not raining, I go to black and blue. Seems to work. Little tip there. Another one. Oh, fish of a different color. I guess I'm out of sight right now. Huh? I'm going to turn this thing a little bit. You're seeing the beauty of our not so pretty boat. As we can fish when it's pouring rain without a reindeer on. Got us perch. Yellow perch. That something didn't feel right. I love it. What else we could catch in the rain? I'm good, Jason. I'm good. We are on. We got another one on. See that a little better? This guy's not as big as the one we didn't get on video. Handle the motor, Jason. There he is. Smallmouth. Seen too many of them today. Too many of them today. Lip spinner. Alright, whoa, I hear jumping, I hear jumping.
Yeah. Whoa!
He's still on there?
Yes, he is. Somehow. Right on top of the mouth, looks like. Oh, look at that. Largemouth. Side there.
Go ahead, get out of the storm and
Yeah. Out his
caught you
house.
fish.
Oh, he came shooting up from the shore.
Cool.
Okay, so.
He's thinking, I don't see nobody back here.
There we go. That looks good. Yes. Oh, that was easy. Very cool.
Very cool. Good deal. Bonus fish.
Yes. Getting out of the weather.
There he goes. We're back here because we're hearing thunder and it's raining and it's blowing. I said, well, I'll try to catch one back here. He did. He got it. Oh yeah, storm has found us. We're making the most of our seriously covered boat. You working, GoPro? Yes, you are. But that's the beauty of this rig. Be out here and not even worry about this. Just be close to the trees in case there's some lightning. I just had 2 fish on. Jason got 2 in the boat. You just can't beat it. That makes all the work of putting it all up worthwhile. I ain't seen another soul out here fishing all day. So. Cool. Great way to spend the day. Better than sitting back at camp. Alright, pouring rain, and Jason's got another one on. I'm just talking about how great this boat is. What you got?
Pike her off.
Not bad. Oh, pike. Alright. Maybe this turn the pike on. Alright.
Perfect. I got many
It's been a
today.
while since we ain't got too many of them today. Pikey pike. In the pouring rain.
Little bladed spinner. Alright. There we go. There they are.
There they are. Full beans. Let them go. As the rain comes down. Off of it.
Back up a little bit.
Off the roof. It's raining. Ew. Pouring now. Thing in the way here.
Oh, yeah, alright.
What you
Messing
got?
up the cameraman.
What you got? Yeah, I'm already.
Now. Feels heavier.
Trip right out the front of the boat.
He's pulling pretty good. This is on the big rod.
Pike?
I think
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, oh, he's just a fighter. Oh, cool.
Carper and black spoon. Oh,
Yeah. Oh,
let himself off.
cool.
Gotta love that.
I'll save my fingers. I'll take
That's
that.
right, yeah, well, one of these days we're gonna get cut up. I got cut pretty bad years ago.
Yeah. I haven't got one yet, so
Copper
the
and
record.
black spoon.
Hold that still, boy. Oh, yeah, works out.
Alrighty.
Look, the ticket 1 year. This is the bronze and black.
Oh, bronze and black.
Yeah, I keep thinking it's
Okay.
copper too,
Yeah,
but apparently
sure.
it's a very subtle different color on there.
That was a cheap spoon too, as I
Yeah,
recall.
it's a couple bucks,
Yeah.
so it works out great.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Well, there's our sunfish for today.
Yeah. Holy cow.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
That's a pretty one. Pumpkin seed. It's on.
Okay. I think it's a pike.
Yeah, it is a pike.
Nice.
Bring it in here.
See if you can get them. Everybody can see it.
Oh.
There you go.
You're good. You're good. I just found the orange lure.
Yeah. Man, that's great. The old tried and true work again.
Jason just had an 18-inch bass and brought it in, and I thought I was filming it, and I didn't even turn on the camera.
Yeah. Oh, that'll happen. Okay. What do we do here?
Alright. Turn him loose.
There you
Well,
go.
let me see him first. Whoa. Where
Yeah.
you going?
Alright.
There
tip him back in the boat.
Right, we in.
Okay.
Turn him loose.
There you go. I think I've ever seen.
You have to slow that down, Jason.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, don't come back. I'm already videoing.
That's all right.
You're not supposed to yank it out before I start videoing.
Figuring out the whole routine.
There we go. We're having some technical difficulties. We just had a huge bass on in the back and we couldn't get the GoPro running. And after about a couple of minutes, the bass decided he had enough of that and got off.
Yeah, thankfully the pike are waking up, so see from there.
I'm gonna turn him loose.
So we'll take that for now.
And it's raining again a little bit. But yeah, I got a little frustrated with the GoPro. He might get to see how far I could throw it. At least we can do it with the phone.
Oh no, he got off.
There was a fish. Come up, eating my sandwich.
Yeah, but the splash
relaxing.
like 3 seconds ago.
Deep breaths from operating the GoPro. Calming down. I gotta get up.
He's out there, I swear.
Where? What?
Moby Dick.
Nothing. Nothing. Alright, what do we got now?
Another largemouth on the old horn spinner again. Good. Oh, goodness. Okay. He's bigger than I thought he was. Huge. Yeah. Oh, okay. If you're being modest.
Pretty big.
Yeah, heavy. The chunky boy. Yeah, I might need a little surgery on that one.
We will show you the beautiful scenery in the animation.
He's heavy.
Look at that. Jason's got a big bass.
Yep, on a
He's
new
gone
lure.
seriously richer on us. He's got it on a spoon plug. It's like Buck Perry original structure fishing lure.
My first fish on one of these.
All right.
It's a big fish.
Get the net. On a spoon plug.
Yeah.
New old school there.
Look
at that. Wow.
I'm afraid to put the slack in the line because it's right on the end. Let's see if I just do it like that. Oh, thank you.
Look at that. Look at that. That is on an orange spoon plug. Original structure fishing master Buck Perry came up with these. We just got some for Christmas last year.
Yeah, brand new.
New old school there. Let's see if I can get a hold of it so I ain't shaking all over the place.
Oh my gosh.
Spoon plug. Look at that. Oh man.
Heck of a first fish on that, huh?
Look at that.
Look at that. I'm going to measure that one too.
Okay, I can measure that.
Yeah, I'm at for smallmouth.
I'll show the scenery here.
17.
17-inch smallmouth.
Yeah.
Okay, let me
First
get
one
over
was
there a
good.
little further so you can. I can only walk so far back
Yeah.
here.
There
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Toss him back. There he goes. On the spoon plug. Very,
cool.
very retro.
I've been trying every day since we got up here.
A new
Oh,
old
two.
school right there.
Yeah.
We just got them this year.
I got some confidence in
They
it.
still make them. You can still buy these spoon plugs.
Yeah. Very different.
Sweet. Nerves of steel.
Yeah, he's been through this before.
When you go fossil hunting, that's the most common fossil we find. Well, folks, we've been having some great days. It's just awesome up here. Fishing's great. Catching a lot of stuff. Seeing a lot of things. So glad you could come along. And hope you're enjoying. And if you are, if you could like and subscribe, sure would appreciate it. We'll do some more of this. Come on, let's go.